Now let's start this question is today's daily challenge. So now the question say we need to find value metric given row and column sum. So you are given two array row sum and column sum of non-negative integer where row sum is the sum of the elements in a I row. The column sum is sum of the elements of the j column of 2D matrix. In other words, you do not know the elements of matrix, but you do know the sum of each node and the column. Find any measure of non-negative integer of sum of size row sum like x colon dot next that satisfy the row sum and the column sum requirement. So here we need to return 2D array representing any metric that fulfill with the requirement, and they guarantee that at least one metric that fulfill the requirement exists. So there can be multiple answer. So we just return either one. So now you can see the row sum is 3A is 47, cosine is 47. Okay, here you can see it's the output. I think even though you see the explanation is still confused how to handle this question. So actually this question is greedy algorithm, so a little bit tricky. So I drawn a diagram for you, so hopefully you can easier understand. It's in the question name. Here, I create row and a column and the match that mean. So here, first we need to fill out the index 0, row equal to 0, column equal to 0. How to fill here? So now we just copy the row sum and the column sum, which one is smaller. So here you can see I use the minimum. So we need to compare which one is smaller. So we find out the 5 is most smaller. So here the cell just fill with the 5 value. And here 5. And then because here we fill with 5, so the row sum and the column sum need to subtract by 5, right? Because we already used the 5 for the both sum. So here 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 and 8 minus 5. Let's see. So now the column sum become the 0, the row sum become the 3, and then you see in the first column. So below the 5, do we have any way to fill this one? No, only 0. So because the column sum is equal to 0, right? So now you see the below the sum should be we need to fill with 0, 0, and then we finish this one. We finish the first column. Now, the orange color, which means we finish this column. We don't need to care about this column anymore. Now you can see because I increase the column index by 1. So now you can see the gray color. So we need to compare these two value, and then you see the red color, which means what is the number we need to assign. So doing the same thing, which comparing 7 with the 3, which one is smaller? We know 3 is smaller, so this cell need to fill out with 3, and then both sum need to subtract by 3, and then you can see here the row sum becomes 0. So after the 3, so here should be 0, right? So we don't have any other choice can assign to this. So you can see it's 0. Now, because we finished the first row, right? So we need to increase the row by 1. Yeah, you can see the row increase by 1. Here, now we need to fill out with the cell with the index with the row and the column 1. So now do the same. We just repeat the step. So which one is smaller? We know 4 is smaller, and then the both sum need to subtract by 4. Okay, you can see this current sum become 0, which means below the 4, the cell also become 0. Now here, because we finished the second column, so we need to increase the column by 1, so the column become 2. Here just repeat the step, right? So which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. And then both on subtract by 2. So you see, now we come to last cell. So we just doing the same because it's last cell, right? You can see the row sum and the column sum equal to A, right? So last cell we need to fill out with A. Now A is the solution. How to solve this question? Now I will start coding up. Okay.